بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم ما بعد. Lesson number 40. Practice sentences. أين المدرس? Where is the teacher? هو في الفصل. He is in the classroom. Now we will not say that the teacher is in the classroom. You can say easily he is in the classroom. So we will have to see whether the one who is questioned about is feminine or masculine. So if she is feminine, then we will say he fil first. If he is masculine, then we will say huwa fil first. It is easy to understand. Wa aina al mudarrisul jadid, and where is the new teacher? Huwa inda al mudir. Inda means with. He is with the principal. Huwa inda al mudir. He is with the principal. أين الطالب الجديد? Where is the new student? ذهب إلى المكتبة. Now we learned that ذهب means he went. So we don't have to add an huwa before saying ذهب. If we add huwa, then it is correct. If we don't add, it is correct. If we add it, it will become a nominal sentence. If we don't add, it will be a verbal sentence. ذهب إلى المكتبة. He went to the library. Like you can see, this sentence is starting with a verb, so it is a verbal sentence. ذهب إلى المكتبة. He went to the library. من ذلك الرجل الطويل الذي خرج الآن من المدرسة? What is the question? من ذلك الرجل الطويل? Who is that tall man? Which tall man? الذي خرج الآن من المدرسة. Who? خرج means went out or came out. الآن now or just. من المدرسة, so the school, from the school. من ذلك الرجل الطويل الذي خرج الآن من المدرسة? Who is that tall man who just came out of the school? Who just came out of the school? هو المدير الجديد. He is the new principal. ومن الولد الصغير الذي خرج الآن من الفصل؟ هو ابن المدير الجديد. ومن الولد الصغير, and who is the little boy? الصغير means little or small. والولد means boy. الذي خرج, who has just came out or left. الآن, just now. من الفصل, the class. And who is that small boy or that little boy who just came out from the classroom or who just left the classroom? When we add just, then you can add now if we want, and if we don't, you can leave it. Who has just left the classroom or who has just now left the class. هو ابن المدير الجديد. He is the son of the new principal. لمن تلك السيارة الجميلة? Whose is that beautiful car? هي للمدير. We learned that it indicates to belonging. To whose belonging is the thing. هي للمدير, it belongs to the principal. لمن هذا الكتاب الكبير? لمن هذا الكتاب الكبير? Whose is this big book? Or you can say, for whom is this big book? The same person is asking another question. أهو المدرس? Is it for the teacher? Is it for the teacher? The answer is لا, هو للطالب الجديد. لا means no. It belongs to the new student. أين الملعقة الصغيرة? Where is the small spoon or little spoon? هي في الكوب. It is in the cup. أين الكرسي المكسور? Where is the broken chair? هو هناك. It's there. There it is. Hunaka means that. Huna means here. Hunaka means that. Subhanallah wa bihamdihi. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika. ونشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين